Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the heart of thermodynamics, work, heat, and energy. These concepts are governed by four fundamental laws that define everything from how your car engine runs to why your phone heats up while charging. Let's look at the four pillars. The zeroth law defines temperature equilibrium. The first law mandates energy conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. The second law explains the role of entropy or disorder. And the third law sets the limit of absolute zero. Okay, the dynamics of internal energy. At the center of our study in internal energy, U, which is the total kinetic and potential energy of all particles within a system. We don't measure the total value of U, but rather its change denoted as delta U. According to the first law, this change is the sum of heat, Q, added to the system and work W done on it. Mathematically, this is expressed as delta U equal to Q plus W. Okay, for sign convection, heat Q and work W in engineering, sign convection are very critical. Think of the system like a bank account. Heat Q. If heat flows into the system from the surroundings, it is positive Q. If the system releases heat, it is negative Q. For work, W, when the surrounding perform work on the system, like a piston compressing a gas, it is positive W because energy is added to the system. If the gas expands and does work on the surrounding, it is negative W because the system is losing energy to do that work. For the units of energy, both work and heat are measured in the same SI unit, joule, J. 1 joule represents the work done when a force of 1 Newton acts over a distance of 1 meter. In many engineering problems, you will also see liter atmosphere, L.atm, which can be converted to joule using the factor 1 liter atmosphere equal to 101.325 joule. Okay, for the conclusion, understanding this energy transaction allows us to analyze complex processes like injection molding or polymer film stretching by simply tracking what goes in what comes out. Now, let's see if you can apply this principle into our exercise after this. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Student exercise. Test your understanding. Based on the video and the first law of thermodynamics, answer the following. Sign convention logic. A gaseous refrigerant undergoes compression. A total of 135 joule of work is done on the gas, but its internal energy only increases by 114 joule. Using the formula delta U equals Q plus W, calculate the heat, Q. Has energy been added to or removed from the system as heat? System interaction. If a system is isolated from its surroundings, what are the values of Q, W, and delta U? Explain your reasoning based on the definition of an isolated system. Process identification. During an isothermal expansion of an ideal gas, the change in internal energy delta U is 0. If the gas does 500 J of work on its surroundings, how much heat must have been absorbed to keep the temperature constant?